Curious about growing microgreens at home? I'll show you a simple mini Kratky tray hack that makes growing fresh greens almost effortless. To make this DIY Kratky tray setup, you'll need one deep sprouting tray set and one large sprouting tray set, both available on our website. From the deep sprouting tray set, we'll use the green no-hold tray. From the large sprouting tray set, we'll need one green tray and one white mesh tray. The white mesh tray will rest on the deep green tray to create our tray setup. This gives us a much deeper reservoir for later in the growth since the trays are different depth sizes. Now I'll place a single sheet of our silicone reusable grow medium flat onto the mesh tray. This prevents the seeds from falling through the mesh. For this grow, I'll be showing you how to grow Red Pak Choi microgreens using the miniature Kratky tray setup. With this tray size, we use about 1.5 tablespoons or 15 grams of Pak Choi microgreen seed. I like to mix the medium with water before seeding to help the seeds stick. Once misted, I evenly spread the Pak Choi seed onto the medium, avoiding large clumping. It's time to give them their water to germinate. I mist the seed with water for about 7 to 9 seconds using a pump-style sprayer. I use the other no-hold tray to place on top, trapping humidity around the seeds. We don't add additional weight with this setup. Later that day, I'll mist the seeds a second time if needed. It's the morning of day 3. At this point, I've been misting 2 times per day or as needed. Today, we can see some of the Red Pak Choi seeds have started to crack open. I give them their first watering of the day before putting them back into germination. I'll check again later today. Today is day 4. Across the tray, the Pak Choi seeds have sprouted, and their roots are starting to poke through the bottom of the mesh tray. Today they're ready for Blackout because we no longer see mini seed shells on the canopy. But first, we'll mist the tray to keep everyone hydrated, including the roots. After misting, I took the top tray and flipped it into a Blackout dome, then placed it back onto our grow rack. It's day 5 and we no longer need to be in Blackout. Our microgreens have grown to a nice, even height with plenty of roots showing, so today they'll go under the light for the first time and will fill the deep reservoir, after first pouring out any old water collected in the bottom tray during germination. I fill the deep green tray with about 9 cups of fertilizer water, making sure the roots are touching the water while leaving a gap for them to breathe. The water should not flood into the medium above. This is when the effortless part of the grow really begins. Thanks to the bottom deep tray and the short mesh tray, we have created a large gap between the trays, giving us a much larger reservoir than you can get using the trays normally. These Pak Choi microgreens will start to green up under the 3 20-watt lights we have on our shelf. We shouldn't have to add any more bottom water for the rest of the grow. During days 5 through 8, all I had to do was check that the roots had contact with the water to prevent drying out. I personally didn't need to add water during these days. If your water develops a stagnant smell or foggy appearance, we recommend refreshing it to keep the plants healthy. You also don't have to use LED lights. Natural light from a well-lit window works well too. Today is day 9. We've got a fluffy tray of Red Pak Choi microgreens ready to harvest. After just helping them through the first 5 days, they've practically taken care of themselves. Before harvesting, I pour out the water in the bottom tray. I really enjoy this Kratky tray setup whenever I know I'll be busy, if we're taking a day trip, or when I want to grow microgreens without daily watering. It's important to note that watering frequency can vary depending on environmental factors and the crop. Some microgreens drink water quicker than others, so always make sure you do your tests first before leaving them. For those interested in the larger version, we sell a 10x20 Kratky tray kit with trays in medium on our website. Though I think this mini setup works best for home growers with limited space. From just one sprouting tray, we grew 100 grams of Red Pak Choi microgreens using 15 grams of seed in 9 days. Red Pak Choi microgreens have a lovely egg-like flavor with a mild spicy undertone, similar to kale, cabbage, and broccoli microgreens. They're great in spring rolls, salads, wraps, or as topping on burgers, offering much more flavor than regular lettuce. After harvesting, I use our scraper tool to remove leftover roots and stems from the reusable medium. When roots are dense, I start on the root side first. Once washed and sanitized, the medium can be reused and the leftovers are composted. This mini Kratky tray setup proves how simple it can be to grow your own microgreens at home in just a few days. If you'd like to try it yourself, check out our deep and large sprouting tray sets on our website. We'll link them below. Happy growing, and thank you for joining us.